Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 22. How to add keywords. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add keywords, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. From here select one campaign, then select Keywords. Here you can see a list of all keywords of this campaign. Also you can see more details when you slide the slider. Now click on Add Keywords button. Here first select your ad group, then enter your keywords. It says the keyword match type will be broad match unless you use quotes to indicate phrase match or brackets to indicate exact match. So for exact match, put your keywords in brackets. Then click on Save button. Once done, you can see your new keywords have been added to the list, and here it shows the match type to be exact. When you click on this small question button, it shows the info about it, like what it is, why it is important, etc. Also we have what are keywords match types and how do I use them link. Click on it for more info. So again click on Add Keywords button, select your ad group, and enter your keywords and save. This is how you can add keywords. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 23. How to use Microsoft Keyword Planner. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to use Microsoft Keyword Planner, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.